Sometimes you have to go back to the mechanical engineering and say, hey, this thing needs to be mechanically engineered better. And I definitely want to hear from you guys, so put down in the comments if there's any particular questions that you may have, or if there's anything that comes to mind, or also if you're experienced in this field, like what are some things that generally come up in your job interviews, right? I try to keep this video specific to our industry, not going into a bunch of different topics that are super general as far as indicating that you'll be there on time. Like, you can probably find some other videos that are going to be better for the just overall interview process and just, being a good employee and just getting through that interview process better, right? These things are going to be some more of the technical things that you can educate yourself on to help answer some of the questions you may be asked in the interview, right? I can't exactly give you the questions that you'll be asked in the interview because everybody's going to interview differently and they're all going to have different types of questions. You have to be able to accomplish all the general questions first, that you're going to show up to work on time, that you're gonna call in if ever you're sick. Like, those are things that you have to kind of figure out. And hopefully if you're just a good employee and you have good ethics, then those things will just fall in line anyway. As far as the technical questions that you're gonna be asked, they're just gonna wanna make sure that you know something about the industry, that you know something about the specific thing that you're going to be interviewing for. So one particular question that we got was somebody's going for a Mechatronics interview.